All right, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature, gang. All right, gang. So we're back for another video, gang. Just a quick update on what gold wants to do. So let's break down gold and see. Let's break down gold. Just a quick update. What gold wants to do for the overall rest of the week. Of course, in our last video and our update for monthly update for January as far as gold. For the month, gold's still going up. Okay, I still have gold going up. Of course, yellow candlesticks are mean that gold's going up. Black candlesticks means that gold's going down. I try to like just change the candlesticks. For y'all, just to switch it up a little bit. Um, this might help you with your psychology. Because when you see red candles, you're automatically thinking like, oh, it's going down, but no, price is just, retesting, but the overall move is still going up. Obviously for the day, yesterday, it's the 18th, price went all the way up here to 1822 before what? Heading back down, it opened at 1813 yesterday, and it went all the way down to 1805. 1805, before pushing all the way back up to 1822 before closing at 1817. Right now, price is at 1812. That's one of our key levels. 1812. It did get all the way down to 1808. Once it got to down, 1805. Once price got down to 1805, it let us know this was on January 18th, 22, which was, still today, still January 18th, but this was the move as far as the day was concerned. It went all the way down to 1805, and then it pushed it back up. Buyers pushed price back up, and it closed right here at 1818. No, I'm sorry. It closed at 1813. But it did push all the way back up to 1813 before going to 1814, and now it's at 1812. Like I said, gold likes to move pretty fast. This was the lowest price gold was on December 15th, 2021. That's the lowest point price was at. This is the second lowest point that price gold been at this year. That was last year. That was the lowest point. That was at 1752, December 15th, 2021. Starting this year, this is the highest point. This is January the 3rd to December 31st, 2021. This is January the 3rd of 2022. This is the highest point price been at since this month was at 1830, at this 1830 level. So this is our key level. This is the highest point that price been to this month, this year, at 1830. And it hasn't been back up there yet. It was up there this January 5th, but it hasn't been back up there yet. That's why I said price is still an uptrend. Price is definitely still going to head back up to 1830 before coming back down all the way to like 1818. Like 1818 is another key level. Before coming back to this key level right here, 1818 key level right here. Before coming back to this key level, this 1818 level, 1800 level. Before price does that, it's definitely going to go back to 1830. Definitely going to retest back up at 1830. Before we had this key level, and we're now in a downtrend. So this is the highest point once again, 1830, and that was January the 3rd. The beginning of this year. This is the highest point that price been at. Was 1830. So this is our key level, highest point price been at. One of our key levels. You can see price went up here January 5th. It got back up here January the 12th, 2022. It was just up there January 14th, 2022. The price definitely likes to go to this key level. You can see now it's at this key level. Now, price we'll go back to this key level, this 1812, 1815 key level. You can see price hit 1812. This was January the 17th. Price hit 1812 there. The 14th, it hit, that was 1815 on the 14th. And it hit 1812 on January the 13th of 2022. So price was just at 1812. It's at 1812 right now. And it could press back down to this 1805 level, this 1805 level, or this 18 level. You can see price was at 1805. It was just here December 21st. So it finally went back to this 1805 level since December 28th of December 28th, 2021. It got right back to this level. So price definitely could go back from 1812 to 1805. Definitely could. That could be like a mid level. Right here, you draw like a horizontal ray. We can draw like a little horizontal ray. From right where price was just at this 1805 level, a little mid level right here. If we wanted to, price definitely could it's going to probably go back to 1805 before pushing back up to 18, where was it at, 1822. This is where price was just at January 22nd, and it was just there January the January 17th. It was just there, and it was just there January the 18th. It was just at this 22 level, 1822 level, before pushing back down. So it definitely was just there like 2 days ago, yesterday. So definitely price can either go back up to this 1822 level, where it was just at like 2 days ago, before heading back down. It was just there also December 28th of 21. It was just at this level, 1820, 1822 level. So how would we explain this game? How would we get that 1822, 1820 level? Well, 1830 in between 1815 is 1820, 1822, around that area. So we would just pay attention to the candles, and the candles will tell us what's going on for the overall month. This is the lowest point price was just at 1783. That's the lowest point that price been at since this month was at 1783, and that was January the 7th, 2022, and it hasn't been back down there. It hasn't been back down to the 1783 level. It just tested this 1805 level before pushing back up to 1812. It's at 1812 right now. So it's important that you look at the candlesticks. The candlesticks will show you the overall direction. Let's go to the weekly too. The weekly, you can see as the weekly, where we don't know if price wants to push down yet. You can see that price did go to 1805 for the week. It hit that low point for the week, 1805, before heading back up. We should see by the end of the week, price should head back up to 1828, 1830. This key level before heading back down. Like, we're still in the uptrend. Candles are still above this trend line. So what we would do now is, we will look at after we looked at the daily, and we looked at the weekly to tell us which direction price is going in. Price is still going up for the month. It's still heading up. It was just retesting right here. You can see it retested for how many days? Well, January 17th was Monday. So Monday, since Monday, it's been from 1823. It's been retesting. It's been retesting. Yeah, it hit back up to 1823, and retested back down to 1805. So letting us know that price is, it's still retesting. And once prices just retest, like, the overall trend though is up.